better than being negative, but the positive routine, healthy routine doesn't help to dissolve the fear that is already there at the base. No matter how much we move with this positive identification, the fear is always lingering. That's why. So, even that positive movement is the layer on you, is not who you are. And because of that, there's there's the constant struggle. So, here's the thing, when you understand that freedom is about letting go, and when the fear comes in, now you examine your fear. Without examining yourself, you won't be able to let go. You won't be able to let go. Whatever so-called letting go is happening in your life, it just an illusion, because you are letting go to create a space to feel something in. So it's just an exchange. Yes, the exchange from complexity to simplicity. But simplicity is still not the freedom. It brings sudden ease, but it doesn't end the fear. Simplicity doesn't end the fear. Simplicity, maintaining simplicity itself, is coming from the place of fear. So, simplicity is another extension in you. So, the simple approach is self-examination. Yeah, simplicity will help you to create a space to work on yourself. In that sense, it's great. But just maintaining the simplicity and ignoring the inward journey or self-inquiry